What is up, you guys? This is Queendashe, also known as Kiana. So in this video we have some extreme laundry all the way motivation. My couch cushion, my daughter had an accident on it, so I really had to clean my couch. I had so much laundry piled up that was just washed and not folded or put away within the last like 3 days, and then on top of that I had some other laundry to do. So we are going to get all of that handled, washed, fold, and put away. Also, I'm going to just straighten up my downstairs. My downstairs really was not that bad, so I just did a quick clean on it, and that's pretty much it. And then we're gonna go upstairs for some laundry. This table, oh my goodness, I'm so proud of myself. I have been keeping up with this table and making sure that it gets clean and wiped down. This was just after my kids ate breakfast and lunch and the table looked like that. So every day I've been trying to keep up with it, and actually as I look back at the table, I have to wipe it down now. So yeah, I've been keeping up with it though.
You needed me like a cargo, you will carry me. I just hope you know.
So now that we're upstairs, I'm going to start off with just stripping my bed. I also did go in the kids' room and strip their bed sheets, but I need to get to all of this laundry. I decided to keep this little part in because this day my mind was just not here. You'll see throughout this video that there's just times where I went to my washer and just really never started it. Just completely didn't start it.
You've been through worse. Sometimes I'm broken. guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run out on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking hearts. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lighting, the one I pick a fight with. Everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run out on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking hearts. why I think about you. It was only one night, only that time, and it's not my style to be caught up in the middle like this. 'Cause now I dream about you. I was probably too drunk, it's blurry, but I've got the image of you running circles in my mind right now. And it could fade away, but it probably won't, and I should let it be. But I'm gonna dive into you, and maybe I'll drown, but what can I do? And it would be alright to let me down. Rather we try than let these feelings slide. So I'm gonna dive into you. It doesn't even make sense why we try to fight it. Every time that we touch, the room caught on fire. We could blame it on the wine, but we know that we would both be lying. I wish I didn't want you. I was doing just fine, the way that it was. Then you hand me these emotions, didn't want them, but I guess that I'm stuck with them. They could go away, but I know they won't, and I should let it be. But I'm gonna dive into you, and maybe I'll try, but what can I do? And it will be alright to let me down. I'd rather we try than let these feelings slide. So I'm gonna dive into you, dive into you, dive into you, dive into you, dive into you. Yeah, I'm gonna dive into you. It doesn't even make sense why I think about you. It was only one night, only that time, and it's not my style to be caught up in the middle like this. But I'm gonna dive into you, and maybe I'll try. What can I do? And it will be alright to let me down. I'd rather we try than let these feelings slide. So I'm gonna dive into you, dive into you, dive into you, dive into you, dive into you. And it will be alright to let me down. I'd rather we try than let these feelings slide. So I'm gonna dive into you.
Like I told you guys, my mind really was not here. Apparently, I just didn't start it again. So as I'm making my bed, I'm searching for my other pillowcase, and because of edits you don't really get to see it, but I was searching all over my house. I went into my kids' room. I'm looking for this pillowcase and everything. Come to find out, it's up under my fitted sheet. When I say my mind was just not here, it just was not here. So guys, we are reaching the end of this struggle video. I hope you guys got some laundry motivation out of this video. Please make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I shall see you in the next one. Peace.